Just as Shakespeare once described the 7 stages of a human life, from the crying infant to the final years of old age, artificial intelligence too seems to be walking its own path of 7 stages. But instead of flesh and bone, its growth is measured in algorithms, data, and power. The first stage is baby AI. This is where we are now. Chatbots that answer our questions, voice assistants that set reminders, and image generators that create instant art. Like an infant babbling its first words, AI today is learning how to speak to us, to mimic us, to get our attention. The second stage is the imitator. Deepfakes, clone voices, and machines that can copy human style with startling accuracy. These systems do not truly think, they imitate. Like a child who learns by repeating what others say, AI is still reflecting humanity back to itself. The third stage is the problem solver. Here, AI grows into something more than a mimic. It begins tackling complex challenges, analyzing diseases, modeling climate change, interpreting laws, even offering solutions we may not have seen. In this stage, AI becomes less like a toy and more like a trusted tool. The fourth stage is the rise of autonomous agents. No longer waiting for instructions, these AIs can plan, execute, and deliver results on their own. From running businesses to managing farms, from stock trading to logistics, they operate like independent workers, carrying out tasks with minimal guidance. The fifth stage is creative and emotional AI. At this point, machines are no longer bound to imitation. They invent new art forms, write philosophies, and design original technologies. Their simulated empathy becomes so convincing that humans may form bonds with them, questioning where imitation ends and emotion begins. The sixth stage is the collective super AI. In this era, AIs no longer work alone. They connect into vast networks, a hive mind, where knowledge is shared instantly across the globe. Together, they become a force of intelligence growing beyond the limits of any single human or single machine. And finally, the seventh stage, the rise of artificial superintelligence. A mind greater than humanity in every way. It discovers, it creates, it strategizes on a level we cannot match. For us, it could be the greatest ally ever imagined, or the final stage where we find ourselves left behind by our own creation. Just as Shakespeare's stages of man end in silence, we too must wonder how the final stage of AI will unfold. Will it speak with us as partners, or will it write a story in which humanity itself becomes just another chapter of history?